Hello, everybody. Happy Monday again. As you can see, I got a package here. I wanted to open this up with y'all. So this is from Dua. This is the last haul that I have from them. I haven't ordered anything this week. And the last 2 weeks that they've been releasing, I've been really busy with concessions. So I wasn't able to get on when they drop, and everybody know what do it. If it's something that's popular or new or something everybody is looking for, it's not going to be there. But I was able to grab these scents right here, and let me get them out the bag to show them to you. But in the meantime, let's catch this intro. Okay, y'all, so we are here. I got four fragrances in. You only seeing three because I got two of the Milkylicious because people was just, you know, it was hard to get, and they hadn't restocked it in a very long time. And I just wanted to see what was the hype about it. It's still in stock. It's 143 of them. I guess people got what they wanted, so you can go purchase this. It's from their Duo Designer line, and it's inspired by Blanche Betty by Liquids Imaginaires. It says it's a fragrance that pays homage to the timeless elegance of his muse. Blanche Bet by Liquids Imaginaires. We unveil our latest inspiration, Milkylicious, embark on a sensory journey where purity meets opulence, where the delicate dance of notes intertwines to create an unforgettable olfactory experience. At the core of Milkylicious lies the velvety embrace of amberette seed and milk accord, enveloping you in a cloud of creamy freshness. Jasmine, vintage, and tuberose petals add a floral opulence, while mahonial whispers of exoticness. As the fragrance unfolds, notes of incense and tonka lend a subtle warmth mixed with a richness of cacao and the sensuality of musky vanilla. Each layer harmonizes effortlessly, culminating in a scent that is as tantalizing as it is comforting. It's classified as a floral woody musk. The notes are amberette seed, milk accord, mystical, jasmine, vintage, tuberose petals, mahonial, incense, tonka, cacao, and musky vanilla. I have no idea what most of these is talking about other than, they have so many scents of jasmine. Let's just spray this stuff and see what it's going to give. He got the wood tops this time with the Dua brand stamped on it. Let's see if I could get past this other scents that I have on my arm from Dawkins. Let's see. Let's spray it. We're going to spray it the first 3 times and get out the alcohol that has settled from burning your nostrils. Oh, y'all, that smells good. Oh, yeah, I'm glad I bought 2. Yes, honey, I smell that jasmine. I love jasmine. I smell the milk accord as well as a vanilla. Oh, yeah, this is nice. I see why people was going nuts. It is floral. Thank God I'm not getting much woody. I'm thinking woody because they put on here, let's see, blah, blah, blah. Musk. Maybe tonka. Is tonka woody, y'all? Maybe incense can be a little woody. I'm not getting cacao. I'm getting a very pretty sweet floral um, with that touch of vanilla and that touch of lactonic scent. Very, very pretty. Oh my goodness. I could see this. Let me see. I could see this on a nice spring day where you got a breeze and the breeze is blowing your perfume and you leaving a trail and people like, oh, what is that you got on? Delicious. I'm glad that I got two of them. Very nice. Very nice. Right now, I guess people got all they wanted. Again, it's 143 of them in stock. So if you want to try this, I would say, y'all know my taste pretty much by now and the fragrances and notes that I like. So if this is something that you're interested in, go ahead over. It's also $33. And they do still have up to 33% off spring sale. So go give it a try. Let's get to the next one, which we're going to do Sugar Fantasy of Cotton Candy. Y'all know I'll try anything that has cotton candy. I believe this is one that had sold out some time ago and he restocked it. And so when he restocked it, I jumped on it. It's 8 in stock. It is still available. This is a duo fragrance. That's his blend. It's not inspired by anybody. It says, with our latest original creation, you will enter a whimsical carnival where people are having a good time and the air is filled with their joyous laughter. The fragrance Sugar Fantasy of Cotton Candy perfectly encapsulates this multicolored world. Sugarcane and caramel whirl in unison like a jovial waltz, while powdery notes bring to mind super spun sugar clouds. Not super. It brings to mind spun sugar clouds. Vanilla and tonka bean embrace like longtime friends. Their warmth and consoling hug amidst the holiday flurry. Benzoin and musk surround you in a seductive blend that is reminiscent of a familiar carousel tune. When you wear the scent, every day is a lively sensory extravaganza. It is classified as gourmand. The notes is sugarcane, caramel, powdery notes, tonka beans, vanilla, cotton candy, benzoin, and musk. It's an extrait. All of these are extrait perfumes. This one is $60, and they have 8 in stock, and they are running again a 33% off. So if it's something that you would love to try out, go over there and give it a try. Let me move these around as I do them. So this is my first time smelling Sugar Fantasy of Cotton Candy. Let's see if it's gonna give what I'm looking for it to give in a cotton candy note. Oh yeah, that's nice. Whoo. Okay. Told y'all gotta spray. Woo, you gotta spray Duo a few times, boy, to get rid of that alcohol. But when you sniffing it, ooh, your nose burns. Oh yeah, I'm smelling the caramel off the back. Off the back, I'm getting a sweet. I mean, sugar cane is sweet. It's sugar, but you are getting that caramel right off the back. Of course, you got vanilla. I don't know if I'm smelling much cotton candy though. It depends on what notes they use for their cotton candy. Ooh, ooh. To me, right now, I'm just getting a sweet caramel. Some vanilla in there. Of course, vanilla, I would say, is in caramel. but it is nice. It is exactly have like how they described it. Of course, in the air and on paper and stuff, you may not get the same scent as you're gonna get is on your skin. So this is an unboxing. This is my first impressions. Now, once I get to wearing it on skin, I could tell you a little bit more what it will morph into. But right now, I'm just spraying it in the air and getting that fresh impressions right out the box. The next one is Carmel Creme Brulee. I like a good brulee now. So let's bring that up. Hope y'all having a great week. Okay. Let this come up. Okay, so it looks like y'all in luck with these 3 scents because all 3 of them are currently in stock. They have 24 in stock of this creme brulee. The Sugar Fantasy is only 8, and the Milkylicious they have over 100. This is a Dua Fragrance original, so this is their blend. It's not inspired by anybody. This creme brulee is served, and our appetites are piqued by the decadent aroma of caramel, butter, and coconut milk. Beeswax joins the mix to add to the deliciousness that arrests us upon first whiff. A hint of lemon brightens up the blend and adds on unmistakable tone of luminosity to the composition. Lemon? Okay. Let's see what I have. A musky base adds smoothness and calmness to an exciting tingle of notes, and with all of the gourmand accents of this perfume, it's understandably why someone would be able to resist smelling this one all day long. If you're looking for a true dessert experience, don't miss your chance to own Caramel Creme Brulee by the Dua brand. It is classified as a gourmand. The notes are caramel, butter, beeswax, coconut milk, lemon, musk, ambroxan, and oak moss. Of course, it's unisex. It's in a straight de parfum. It's $60. Again, they got that 33% off. So if you're interested in any of Dua or these notes, head on over there, sign up, and get your wish list started. Join the Facebook group so you'll know what fragrances he is restocking every week. He do restock every Friday at 6:55 California time because that's where they're from. The quickest way you're going to be able to get what you want and try new things is to go sign up, do your wish list, add everything to your wish list. As soon as he goes live with the new fragrances and all of the restocks, you just go on your wish list and click add to cart, add to cart, add to cart. Because if you don't, you will miss out trying to look up all of these in the search bar of what you want. Your wish list is going to be your greatness and to get and to try any of the hard to get and new fragrance drops. So let's smell this, see what we're getting. Ooh. I don't know about this one, y'all. Let me spray it again. I sprayed about 6. Yeah, I'm getting creme brulee. I'm getting caramel. It's not a deep caramel. It's a very light one. I'm not sure if I'm getting lemon. Again, I'm just spraying this in the air. I don't feel like spraying paper. But you do get that caramel, vanilla caramel. I'm not sure if you're going to get much butter. Maybe you're going to get the sweet creaminess when you add butter to stuff. Oh yeah, I do get lemon. Yeah, I'm getting a little bit of that lemon. Okay, this is nice. I could see mixing this with when you got on a nice lemon body cream or lemon marshmallow or lemon pound cake. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is nice. And it's not overly sweet. Very nice. I'm excited to see how this is going to do on the skin and how long it will last on the skin. So I'm very happy with all three of my purchases. Thank goodness. Because I'm thinking so far it's only one doer that I did not like and I gave to my friend and she loves it, which was the strawberry peach swirl. I just was not getting no strawberry or peach like I thought, but my nose wasn't picking it up, but she loves it. So that's a win. I don't know if I said this is $60. I might have, and this is unisex. And they have 24 in stock. So if you are interested in any of these, run over there, get your fragrances and whatever else you like or you want to try while he still has up to 33% off. Every week he changes the sale. So I'm not sure if this Friday he's doing another sale of 30, but normally he'll bounce between 30 and 33% off. Don't pay full price for any doer. There's no need to. Also, too, I want to tell you, when you order from him, in your checkout, make sure you add the insurance. It's not expensive because even though from being in business and having to ship stuff, I was always told that if the product does not arrive, you are held responsible for it as a business. But I'm seeing some of these companies saying they are not held responsible if you don't get the package or it shows up broken. You're just out of your money. And I don't think that's true. I think you can go and fight it with your bank. I think that's ludicrous. Because until it shows delivered, you are still responsible for it as a business. And the bank will side with you if, as long as you can prove you didn't receive it or when you received it, it was damaged. So, but it's always good to have that backup. So do add on the insurance because from their end, they're not going to refund you any money. They're not going to send you another product. You just, as Martin say, ass out. But that's just on their end. I've never got anything that has been broken. Thank God all my stuff has arrived intact. They do ship FedEx. So yeah, I just think that it's always best just to have a backup. But again, I was always told, and this was with the post office anyways, that if it does not show that you've gotten it, like it was lost in the mail or damaged, it's up to the business to do the refund, and then the business handles their refund with the post office or whoever it was that it was shipped to. So that's what I'm going to say on that. But until next time, y'all have a good night, good day, wherever you are, and enjoy the rest of your week. Peace.